What's up, guys? I'm over here taking a walk around Remington. You see back there, the gate's missing, so I'm probably just gonna take a walk through there and get a little closer look. I can get a pretty close look from outside the fence, so we'll take a look at that. It's a lot of graffiti inside. See what it looks like inside. A lot of weird trash in here. Shocked the scrappers haven't took that yet. Ugh. Go back to that spot over there, but this is open. I'm not going up there today. Go up there in a different day. Make another video of actually going all the way through it. Alright, I don't have time. Time is my worst enemy. We'll bring you guys a little part of this place little by little. You guys can check it out. Some kind of chute thing over here. I don't know what they would go down that. It's got a couple of them. If anybody knows, comment down the bottom what that would be. And what it would be for. Like, what are they doing? Ooh. Gotta watch your step. It's the old dock. Apparently Daisy was here. 6/8/19. Let's take a look through one of these windows. left of this building. There's a cool hoist right there. This would be the front of the building where you drive by and see what's left. A lot of stuff that looked like just fell apart. A lot of PVC and stuff. There used to be something here and got cut down. Probably got scrapped. They scrapped all that metal. Definitely want to go check it out. I definitely don't want to go in alone just in case I get hurt or something like that. I want to make sure that I don't get hurt, and that's it. Otherwise, there's a video coming of the full inside. A bunch of burnt out mattresses. A bunch of switchboards and stuff there. Turn things on and off. Oh, this is weird. Oh, this must be a bathroom or something. I don't know. It's very weird. It looks like bathroom stalls. I'll try to get this to highlight. I had a really nice light for my camera, but I seem to have lost it. There's another like dock thing. Ooh, gotta be careful. Just walked into a hole. This floor is collapsing. I don't know what's over there. I'll just put it over. Some swinging doors here, but I don't trust the floor. These are old swinging doors that are stuck, I believe. Yep. So eerily, it's so eerie in here. It's so quiet, pretty creepy. Can you imagine being in here at night? All right, let me get out of here. Oh, there's like cassettes on the floor. Who got? We have relics. I don't even have anything to play these on, but there's a bunch over here on the ground. Big hole right there. Just paying attention, so I am coming back here. Alright, let me get out of here before I get in trouble. Next time I need to walk down here and not bring my car. Pretty big, whatever that is. Let's take a quick walk this way. See what we got. Next time, definitely going up those stairs. I'm gonna check out the upstairs because they're all connected to each other. Looks like something collapsed right here, like a big piece of machinery. All right, guys. If you guys really want me to go in there and really check everything out, let me know in the comments. Because I'll get a little crew together and we can go and like legitimately film this and get in the inside no matter what.